Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to test out a little tool hack. Now, Monica showed me this video on Instagram, and I thought it was really cool, but I'm not sold on it either, so I thought we were going to try it ourselves. And what this person did was they took a key, put it in a drill, then had one of these little screw hooks, put it through the key, and used the drill to screw it in. Now, if I'm not mistaken, in that video, their hole looked like it was pre-drilled. It was already there. And although still cool, that's not as fun. So I got this drill. I obviously have a key. I have a hook. Let's test it. First thing we got to do is get the key in here. Make sure we can grab it. I'd say we got it. Time to screw it. We're going to try screwing it into that shelf right there. And it probably is easier if you hand start it, but what fun would that be? So we're just going to give it a shot, see what happens. Well, how I can do that and show it to you though. We got to stay on the top. Kind of hard to stay straight. All right. Well, if the damn thing would ever start, it might work. Problem is you can't push in at all. Well, I understand why you would pre-drill the hole. Let's see, this looks like it's already a hole there, so. Oh yeah, if it's pre-drilled. I fully understand why it was pre-drilled in the video. Well, it does work. I wouldn't take the time to pre-drill the hole though. The way I like to put these in is with one of these universal sockets. See, mine don't spring back into action like it used to, but we can all relate to that. So you just stick this thing on the end of that. Keep yourself straight. Either way works, I guess. So there you go, a little tool hack test. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.